Hello guys, welcome back to another video in this YouTube series on Industry 4.0 and Smart Manufacturing. Myself Kaligar Atik Basha, and today's video is on second industrial revolution. As we have discussed the first industrial revolution in detail in two parts. So if you have missed those two parts, kindly follow the link provided in the description and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So coming back to today's video is a second industrial revolution, which is also known as like a technological revolution, dated between 1870 to 1914. Many innovations can be traced in different fields during second industrial revolution, which may include like electricity, automobile, airplanes, steel making, radio. Technologies I will be covering in each part of second industrial revolution. Hope you guys like this video series.
Second Industrial Revolution. You may remember the Cincinnati Slaughterhouse, which was the first assembly line unit during Second Industrial Revolution, as we discussed in the introduction video of this series. We know that the first Industrial Revolution saw the growth in industries like coal, iron, railroads and textiles, whereas the Second Industrial Revolution witnessed the expansion mainly in areas like mass production, electricity, petroleum and steel. Electricity became the primary source of power in factories and public places. Second Industrial Revolution started mainly in countries like UK, Germany and USA. Some other countries may also be included like France, Japan and Italy. During this period, most of the great technological inventions and innovations happened. Now let's start with a key technological element, electricity, which led to great innovations during Second Industrial Revolution. Electricity was totally a new technology in two forms. One is alternating current and other is direct current. Electricity played a key role during Second Industrial Revolution that could be easily converted into other forms of energy such as heat, light and motion. And this can be easily moved by means of wires. The first effective application of electricity was not in power transmission, but in communication. The telegraph was one of them. The famous scientist Michael Faraday established the basics for the concept of electromagnetic field in physics, and he developed the dynamo by 1831. In 1807, Humphrey Davy isolated a series of elements using electricity for the first time, and he demonstrated its lightning capabilities. Before 1870, there was no electricity. Factories and dwelling units were dark and smoky due to burning of candles and oil lamps. In 1865, Hermann Sprengel designed a vacuum pump, which made possible for the invention of arc lamp. Paul Jablochkov invented an improved arc lamp using alternating current. In 1878, Charles Brush invented a high-tension direct current lamp. Subsequently, factories, streets, railway stations and similarly public places began to replace gas light with arc light. Electricity slowly started to be recognized as a general system for energy transmission, and by early 1880s, modern light bulb was invented by Joseph Swan in England and Thomas Edison in US. Using this electricity, factories could remain open 24 hours every day. By 1870s, the use of electricity expanded very quickly. In 1879, a miniature electric railway was displayed at Berlin exhibition. Similarly, in 1883, electric blankets and hot plates were exhibited in industrial exhibition of Vienna. And by 1884, electric street cars were used in Frankfurt and Glasgow. And by 1886, Frank Spurge developed electric motor, electric railways and electric elevator. He was known as the father of electric traction. By the end of 1910, hydroelectric power stations and coal-fired steam generating power plants were also established. Telephone, radio, conveyor belt, crane, machines and mass production could be easily powered by electricity.